Hello all, welcome to session 102. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate one of the commands in Selenium Python, that is find element by tag name command. This command uses tag name, that is HTML tag name of the element for locating or finding the UI elements. For example, if I take you to the sample application, say omai.blogspot.com, on this application page, if I want to know what is the HTML tag of this text box field, I have to right click and inspect, right? Then in the dev tools, you'll get the HTML code of this particular text box field. As you can see, it is having which tag? Input tag, right? So if I inspect this hyperlink here, which tag is there? Anchor tag is there, right? Anchor tag is there. So different UI elements on this page have different HTML tags. I want to locate a particular UI element using its HTML tag. If I inspect this text area field, what is the tag, guys? Text area is a tag. Okay, text area is a tag. I want to locate this text area field using the text area tag. I can do that. Okay, so if I go to the selector sub here and if I search something like if I create some manually create some XPath like text area and press enter, two elements are coming, guys. Okay, these are two text area fields. This XPath is finding or locating text area fields using the text area tags, right? But two are coming here. Okay, not one, two are coming. So what if I use this text area tag and try to locate one of the text area field? How to do that? For that, we have to use this command known as find element by tag name command. So I'll practically demonstrate this command for you now. For that, I'll open this PyCharm IDE where we have this Python file having some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for opening the application URL in the browser. Like this, once the application URL is opened in the browser like this, using the tag name as a locator, HTML tag name of the element as a locator, I want to do something inside this text area field. So for that, which command? Driver dot find element by tag name command. Here inside this, which tag name I am going to pass? Some text area. Okay, text area. These two text area fields are having which tag name? Inspect this tag HTML tag name is text area. This text area I'm passing for locating this text area field. Okay, and I'll say dot send keys. I'll pass my text. Okay, my name I'm passing my name into the send case command. So this need to type Arun Motori text into one of the text area fields. Here two text area fields have the same tag name text area, but into which field this Arun Motori will be typed? Let's see that in action. Okay, I'll explain that. Okay, only one field it will type, guys, but I'll explain afterwards why it is typing only into the one text field. So you see, Arun Motori is typed only into the text area field 1. Into the text area field 2, it is not typed. Arun Motori is only typed into one of the text area fields. Okay, because even though these two text area fields have the same HTML tag, that is, if I inspect this text area field, it is having. If I inspect this text area field, it is having text area tag. If I inspect this text area field also, it is also having the text area tag only, HTML tag only. But only one is being recognized here, right? Only one text area field is being typed because this is not find elements, it's find element. Okay, it's not find elements, it's find element by tag name. Only one element it can locate. So if there are multiple elements, okay, if there are multiple U elements on the page having the same HTML tag, the first one will be preferred, guys. Okay, in the HTML code, whatever that is coming on the top, if I inspect this text area is coming on the top, right? This text area. After that, somewhere here. Okay, so this one is coming first. After that, this is coming. After that, this text area is coming. It's bottom, guys. Okay, so from top to bottom, whatever that is coming first will be preferred. Hope you are able to understand. Now, let's say I want to type Arun Motori text, okay, into all the text area fields. Not only single text area field, but all the text area fields I want to type Arun Motori text. For that, which command I have to use? I cannot use a find element by tag name because here only one element. Okay, that too, even though multiple elements are there, it will choose the first text area HTML tag element in the HTML code as I explained. But if I want to pass the tag name as a locator, HTML tag name as a locator, and find all the U elements, then we have to go for the command. In the previous session, I explained this command, guys, driver dot find elements command. Okay, here I'll say by dot for the mouse on by and import this from Selenium library and now say by dot tag name. Okay, you have to use tag name, comma, which tag? The same tag, that is text area. How many elements are there with the HTML tag name on this application? 2 elements. Okay, text area field 2. 2 elements are there. Okay, so into these 2 text area fields, I want to type some text. Okay, so I'll store this. This will retrieve all the web elements, guys. Okay, there are 2 web elements, right? That will be retrieved, and we can store that into text underscore area underscore fields. Okay, here I'll write a for loop for field in text area fields. Here I'll say field dot send keys. Like this, we have to write the logic, guys. If you have multiple elements, then this is a list, collections list, and we have to use a for loop with the collections list, collection list of elements, web elements having the text area HTML tag in their HTML code. Okay, so here I'll say Arun Motor. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Let's run this code and see whether it is typing my name Arun Motor into both the text area fields or not. Let's see here. You see Arun Motor is not only typed into this text area field, but also into the text area field. Okay. So hope guys you understood how to use find element by tag name. And if you want to locate multiple elements using the tag name, you have to use find elements command. Okay. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.